Animal viruses are self-replicating intracellular parasites that completely rely on host animal cell for reproduction. They use the host cellular components to replicate, then leaves the host cell to infect other cells. The Baltimore classification of virus. Animal viruses are classified in the following 7 groups. According to relationship between virion, nucleic acid, mRNA transcription, group 1 DS double stranded DNA virus, group 2 single stranded DNA virus, group 3 double stranded RNA virus, group 4 positive sense single stranded RNA virus, group 5 negative sense as single stranded RNA virus, group 6 single stranded RNA virus, reverse transcribing viruses, group 7 double stranded DNA reverse transcribing viruses, group 1 double stranded DNA viruses. The mRNA is synthesized on a double stranded DNA genome template. Following are example of some viruses: adenoviruses, herpes viruses, papoviruses, pox viruses. Adenoviruses. Virions are naked, non-enveloped, 90 to 100 nanometer diameter, have icosahedral heterosymmetry. The penton fibers, a globular head, are involved in the process of attachment of the virus to the host cells. Exons consist of protein 2 with a central core involved in the stabilization and assembly of particles. Disease caused by adenoviruses or respiratory disease, conjugal pneumonia, acute hemorrhagic cystitis, acute gastroenteritis. Herpes virus. The nucleocapsid is spherical icosahedral, 100 nanometer in diameter, includes in glycoprotein lipid envelope. Glycoprotein are visible as spikes that are projected from the surface. The nucleic acid is linear double-stranded DNA which is converted into a circular DNA molecule upon slight digestion. Disease captured by herpes simplex 1, cold sores, varicella-virus, chickenpox, shingles. Papovirus. Capsule is of 45 to 55 nanometer diameter, naked icosahedral virion, consists of DNA and protein. Capsule is made up of 72 capsomeres. Virus enter the cell, migrates to nucleus for replication. Diseases: papilloma virus, cervical cancer, human warts. Polyomavirus cause tumor in mice. Pox virus or brick-shaped 240 to 300 nanometer double-stranded DNA genome 130 to 216 and naturally associated with enzyme. Virions or enveloped. Viral multiplication is started by viral transcriptases. The viral components are synthesized, assembled in the cytoplasm of the host cell. Pathogenesis: human monkeypox, smallpox, varicella virus. Group 2 single-stranded DNA virus, parvovirus. Parvovirus or linear average genome size of 5000 nucleotide, smallest virus with 28 nanometer diameter. Viral capsids made up of 2 to 4 protein from naked icosahedral structure. This is human parvovirus P19. Human parvovirus P19, erythroma infectious joint disease syndrome. Group 3 positive single-stranded RNA virus, coronavirus. Coronaviruses are enveloped helical 60 to 200 nanometer diameter genome size or 1620 can. It replicates the cytoplasm. Disease: respiratory syndrome, severe acute respiratory syndrome. Picorona virus. Virions naked icosahedral capsid is composed to 60 copies of 4 structural protein. Viral genome or linear 7.1 8.9 kb size. Disease: poliovirus, rhinovirus, common cold, hepatitis A virus, stroke virus. Envelope consists of 8 O-trimmer spikes. The spikes consist of glycoprotein that help in attachment protein to receptor of host cell membrane. Example: alpha virus, Eastern equine, yellow fever virus, rubella virus. Group 4 single-stranded RNA viruses. Envelope with spikes made up of glycoprotein. Linker matrix protein contain nucleocapsid. Group 5 double-stranded RNA virus, example reovirus. Single stranded RNA RT virus, retrovirus. Group 7 double stranded DNA virus, hepadenovirus.